So that just comes right out.
It wasn't even on.
Oh wow, look, factory hood prop.
Yep, damn right.
Nailed it.
Ghost hood.
Ghosted. Yeah, you can see how wide the wheels are now because they're still.
What are those, 10s?
10.5. Alright, so yeah, I guess we're gonna get the front lifted. Trying to think of best course of action. Because there's no wheels on the rear at all.
I'm just gonna keep rolling the whole time. I don't want to miss shit. Just you yelling at Ian. Usually it's Ian yelling at us, so it's great.
It's sitting on rims, and the front end, or the rear end is lifted, so obviously.
Like, what are you putting on there? Fucking 70 profiles? It's gonna be low.
No, they're
They're pretty low.
Yeah, man.
those are rears though.
Look at this Bluetooth strut brace.
Oh, it's Bluetooth. It's 90s shit.
It'll go back on there. I don't even know who makes it. It's been on there since day one.
Grabbing all the tools.
Trying to remember. It should just be the drive shaft and yeah, this hooker of wiring harness. Well, it's behind the ABS. Realistically, we can take this out if we want, but I want to leave all the lines roughly where they are, which means we probably can't take it out. Just because I have an ABS delete to go in.
Which ABS delete kit?
Alex Rodriguez. It's this
Okay.
dude out west. He specializes in doing them for these cars. He does a Woolward proportioning valve and
Hey, that's what I just did.
I guess it's all on his car.
My first working with brakes ever.
It was not fun. This is made by Nippon ABS Limited. Nippon is
Nippon.
called Japan.
It's a nipple system.
Okay, wow. Disrespectful to an entire culture.
I don't have much for beverages, but when we had that Lonely Drivers meet on Valentine's Day, all the rum and Coke and cups ended up here. So if you guys want a Coke or rum and Coke, feel free.
I feel like a rum and coke.
Straight rum.
Rum and coke would make me.
You know, he's gonna judge us.
It would make me nice and toasty.
No, I'm not going to judge you, but if you need to warm up, it's right there. We can take shots. I'm not against anything.
It kind of reminds me, I think we should get this FD to run straight on rum.
That seems responsible.
Alright, we can have it run on tequila.
All right,
This is a must. Usually it's for...
Zahama.
Steve, if you're watching this, N64, you know what I mean.
Are we going Donkey Kong?
Oh, no, we're not allowed... Whoa.
Glad that was the toolbox.
Hammers. He loses every time to the hammers in N64.
Mario Party?
Super Smash Brothers.
Okay.
We like doing that. That's our thing. Every winter we come up with a new hobby. Cracked out his old N64.
Oh, man.
And we have been playing Mario Party and Super Smash Brothers.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Getting good at Kirby.
Dude, Kirby's the best. Kirby's who I play on the Switch version.
Learned he's #2 ranked. It's Pikachu, then Kirby, then Fox.
Yo, he's got the same air fuel gauge I just bought. That's how I know I made a good decision.
What's KOTR? What's that?
Knights of the Round.
No explanation, just that's what it means.
Oh, it's like gang sign? What do you want to know?
You don't ask. If he doesn't give you an answer, it means it's not something you dig into.
The Knights of the Round. You'll see it on all my cars. The modern logo is on the black back of the STI.
Okay, now I need to know. What is Knights of the Round?
I grew up in a nerdy time. We're
Yep.
talking Tokyo Extreme Racer on PS2, Initial D, Wangang Midnight, going to Japan, living it down. Every time you went to Japan, everyone had their gang. Think Night Kids in Initial D if you've seen Initial D.
Yep.
But Knights of the Round was my initial, like, gang.
Just put a drum on a.
I mean, you got the
like gang.
Just put a drum on a no-kill tick.
I was like, dude, that's a Zelda
You got the
Triforce,
shield,
but I didn't
yep.
want to be like, I didn't want this to actually be a gang.
It goes
and make
back.
fun of it.
No, it goes back to Buddhism actually.
Interesting.
You'll see the Triforce at every temple, Buddhist temple in Japan,
Interesting.
and a reverse swastika. It's not the Nazi swastika.
Yeah.
I don't think it's called the reverse swastika.
No, but it's not because technically it's a reverse thing.
Yeah. You reverse a lot of things.
I feel like such a jackass just following you around watching you guys carry shit, but
I know. Now you know.
now I know how Steve feels.
Now you know how Jake Paul's friends feel.
I can hear him laughing in the distance. This is the new one.
Make it out west, slang it out west. Go Mattel.
Oh, there you go.
No, oh my god!
Fell on the metal. I fell on the metal.
No, it fell on
No, I got it on camera.
strap. Yeah.
Hit right here.
Replay the video. Replay the video.
Damn it! I sighed. We don't need to play nothing.
Get out, you're walking home.
Dude, it'd be faster than that thing.
Probably,
So-
but it's gonna be cold.
Curious, I put that right in the middle of the floor, and you actually did trip on it.
Put this here.
I did. I put it right in the middle of the floor.
I was like, there's the ginger ale.
Hi.
Oh, hello. I love that you just had this sitting on the rims.
Why not?
I mean,
I
they're...
needed the wheels. And they came bang. When
Yeah.
you spend 300 and change on 4 wheels, what do you expect?
For Steve, everything. The world is everything. He got a set of Autohans for like $340. They were like open box specials, never mounted.
Yeah.
And it's made him happier than anything else on his car. Any genuine part, he loves them. Oop, racing.
So that's modified knuckles.
Oh,
Wow.
that's crazy.
The Acura can be measured in inches.
Just like see the full caliper. Just
Yeah, those are Sake Bomb and AP Racing setup.
3 months into the... Don't fucking film this shit.
It's officially turned into more than I was thinking about.
oh man.
We need to remove this bar. We need to see what's holding the exhaust. We need to just get the exhaust out of here. With the exhaust out of here, we can hit the power plant frame on those bolts there, and then these bolts here and here. That will remove the power plant frame from the back of the transmission. At that point, we can hopefully disconnect the drive shaft from the differential without having to get the differential out today.
Sounds confident.
Yeah, I don't think we should have to remove the differential.
No. Well, I mean, I have to because I have to change the LSD in the final gear, but that doesn't have to be done today. That bag,
Yep.
if you want to dump it out in like a concealed area, there should definitely be a ratchet in there.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, I wish there was more light for this.
So is there a red and black handled ratchet in there?
1 second.
Everything's red and black
I
handled.
found red and black handled ratchet. It's
Yay.
an extendable one.
Yep, perfect. That's Old Faithful.
This makes me feel better about my toolbox.
Are you kidding me?
The only one not there.
Do I need a deep or can you get away with the shallow?
I can get rid of it.
Your 11 and 12s are gone. Everything else is there for both.
Those other ones in the bag.
So then it's probably in the bag. Oh, it's smaller than my engine in the Volvo, and that thing's tiny.
That's smaller than the bell housing in your boat.
I know.
And what was interesting is, look at this. See how large the flywheel is? When you bolt a trans to it, the frame of the transmission is larger than the engine. Tell me that's not cool.
That's awesome.
This is one of the most beautiful hammers. The leather handled, stacked. Super thin, aerodynamic.
Aerodynamic.
This is a quality hammer. This is back when they made hammers with a purpose.
You were away. Oh, there we go. That was a nice little reveal.
Please tell me that's a stock exhaust. No way. You just drug it
He
across
doesn't give
the
a shit.
gravel.
It's great.
What?
It's his exhaust.
Good proper high flow cat's a good proper high flow cat. It's just the term high flow catalytic converter isn't registered as anything, so someone can make whatever they want.
Well, rotaries don't have bad emissions at all, right? He's laughing at him. They're terrible.
Oh, absolutely. It's like a 2-stroke engine.
Yeah. It's not great.
Oh, that's right.
That was a big reason they had to go away from them, right?
That's, yeah, the apex seals. That was part of the combustion sealing, right?
Yeah, just by design, they're not the most friendly to the environment. Like you said, it's like a 2-stroke almost.
Yep. No, I pre-mix oil. You can actually see the premix on the shelf over there.
Ah!
Oh.
Had it racing. I love how, like, rotary owners have to become a witch doctor for their own car.
10 pins.
Extension. We have to remove these and these and these. Maybe a couple more of that. I can't really see. But
It's fine, neither can I.
once we get this bar out, this off, that'll all drop. And then we can get to the differential bolt. We might be able to do it without totally removing this from the diff, because I think we can just get the diff bolt here.
Just hear Ian clanking tools over there.
Ruining your audio?
That's all you're gonna hear is clankety clank.
I blame the chaser. All my tools were here. And then I bought that stupid car. Oh, black one. Did you find that 10? Thanks so much.
Ooh. I love how, just look at these shelves, I can tell that Travis is a man of culture. SC Ferroto Racing brake pads, AP Racing rotors, nothing but the best.
For this thing,
Tomei LSD oil.
I got a 4.3 going in this with a Tomei 2-way.
It's the same differential that Danny LaChapelle has in his Skyline drift car.
It's really fucking JDM.
No shit.
Yeah, it is a motherfucker to drive with.
It's wiggling.
Travis is over there like the evil witch. Help me! And all the Lollipop Guild laughed.
God damn it.
What do you need?
Upper body strength.
Why would you tell us that? We don't have that. We cannot offer that.
Can someone bring that blue jack?
You can no longer see what I'm doing.
That's fine. Whoa, whoa. Alright. I just got my ass handed to me, so I'm gonna get up from under the car for a second.
You okay?
I should be.
Yep.
So the power plant frame's out. Fuck, that hurt.
How heavy is that thing?
It was more that the sides hit on my knuckles than it's heavy, but it's probably like 10 tons.
I'm a terrible cameraman. I was more worried about if he was okay, and I was like, "You good?"
I wouldn't wanna have this drop on my hands either. That's a good 10 pounds, maybe 15.
I got it on camera. I saw it go, and you're like, "Oh."